What is the difference between Folexin and Nutrafol for hair growth, and which one of these supplements should you try? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been on the hunt for a natural hair growth supplement, then chances are you've seen or heard about either Nutrafol or Folexin. These are two of the most highly recommended hair growth supplements that are currently on the market. But the question you may be having is which one of them should you actually try, or which one of these supplements have been proven to give the best results? Well, in today's video, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of the two products so that you can make an informed decision on which one is right for you. So let's get started. The first thing that we know for sure is that different scientific studies have been conducted on multiple ingredients that are inside of both of these two products. And the vast majority of the active ingredients in them have been shown to harbor scientific benefits as it relates to hair growth. The product also contains some ingredients which we genuinely think need a bit more scientific evidence to be fully confirmed to work. For instance, Folexin and Nutrafol for Men contains the ingredient Saw Palmetto, which although it is scientifically backed, it still needs further studies to fully assess its effectiveness. One good thing with these two hair loss supplements though is that they both contain biotin, zinc oxide, and a bunch of vitamins. Biotin in particular is well known to improve the production of keratin, which is a protein responsible for hair growth. Now let's talk about how Folexin and Nutrafol works with regards to hair loss in men versus hair loss in women. So with Folexin, you get a one-size-fits-all formula for both men and women. Nutrafol, however, has a specialized formula targeting men separately from women. In fact, they even have an extra formula which is designed for women who are in the menopausal stage of life. Both supplements are, however, made from natural earth-grown ingredients. However, Nutrafol also has some premium ingredients, for example, sensorial. Basically, premium ingredients are further processed in the lab to improve their bioavailability. Now, while this is potentially good, some experts think that lab handling of natural ingredients can make them lose their effectiveness. With that in mind, we think that Folexin has better ingredients because it uses them in their natural form. That way, you can get the benefits just as Mother Nature intended. That said though, the downside to taking generic ingredients is that only a small portion of them are actually absorbed into the body. Therefore, most of the good stuff may go to waste, and that is probably why you have to take Folexin for an extended period of time for the effects to start building up. Now, let's talk about the pricing of Folexin versus Nutrafol. So a single bottle of Nutrafol will cost you about $79 if you sign up for a monthly recurring where they ship you a bottle every month, or $88 if you just want to try a 1-month supply. We think that this product is insanely expensive given the fact that its ingredients are almost similar to the ones you'd find in Folexin, which only cost a fraction of that price. In fact, you'd only need to spend around $18 per bottle if you buy Folexin in bulk, or if you just want to test the product, a single bottle of Folexin will only set you back $25. So if you're a frugal shopper, Folexin might be the winning formula for you. But if you don't mind splurging and you're looking for a gender-specific blend, then you probably will find solace in Nutrafol. So the question you may be asking is, which one works better? Well, it is tricky to draw this comparison between Folexin versus Nutrafol because of the fine print on both supplements, which actually states the results are not typical. But if we were to work with rough estimates, we'd say that most people who uses Folexin reported the appearance of new hair strands within 10 to 15 weeks of continuous use. Those who use Nutrafol reported similar gains within 3 to 6 months. Again, the results aren't typical, although on average, Folexin seems to work slightly faster than Nutrafol. More scientific studies and comparisons are, however, needed to shed more light on this. Now, another question you may have is, are there any potential side effects? Well, we're yet to come across any major health issues concerning taking Folexin or Nutrafol. That said, some of the ingredients in them may cause some side effects if taken in larger than recommended dosages. Biotin, for example, may cause stomach upset if it is taken in huge dosages, and too much Saw Palmetto may cause nausea or constipation. So it is important to stick to the recommended dosage on your supplements. Never take more than the recommended number of pills, no matter the situation. So which of the two should you choose, Folexin or Nutrafol? Well, here are our final thoughts on the Folexin versus Nutrafol battle. If you're a man facing early signs of hair loss, go with Folexin. If you're on a tight budget, stay with Folexin. If however you're a woman and you're prone to hormonal imbalances issues, get Nutrafol for women. So in conclusion, we hope that this video provided you with all the information you need to make an informed decision on which supplement you should choose with regards to Folexin versus Nutrafol. Most importantly, we hope that you'll be able to nip your hair thinning problem in the bud by using one of these two products. So, did you enjoy this video? If you do, please hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips coming to you every week. Thanks for watching guys, and see you soon.